There. Did you see that?
Don't want to check it.
Hola, soy Oscar y traje el durazno para la ensalada. Hola, soy Brian y traje la manzana.
Hola, yo soy Liz y traje los duraznos y la ciruela. Hola, soy Pedro y traje la banana. Hola, soy Palo y yo Sara y trajimos la nana.
Watch this. See the child? This one, peering through a sitting room that's hardly used and was empty. And to top it off, one member of the family and their partners know or have ever seen that child before. Understandably, most of them are traumatized by the footage and refuse to look at it, but permission was given to a husband of a woman who posted it.
Cos'era, Paul? Cos'era?
Non lo so. Una botta di là.
Oh, esatto, di là.
Di nuovo di là. Fammi andare a vedere.
Cosa fai?
Ma... Dopo c'è qualcuno nel letto.
Cosa vuol dire c'è qualcuno?
C'è qualcuno nel letto.
Paolo! Paolo?
No, you won't.
I'll settle down.
No, you're gonna leave.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I ain't going nowhere.
Yes, you are.
I'll never leave.
You understand me?
No, I understand what you're saying.
You understand
But you
me?
cannot.
You understand me? You're leaving. You hear me? Because I'm going to help Carl. I'm going to help Carl to live a life of peace.
Carl's not worth.
Yes, he is.
He's not worth the lives it can cost.
Yes, he is.
No, he's
Yes, he is. You understand me?
He's not worth it.
Now, it's time for you to leave. You understand? You understand, Charlie? Talk to me. Come on.
Carl! Stop, Carl. Carl!
Come on. Now leave him alone. Leave him. Leave him. Leave him. Leave him. Leave him. Yeah. Larry?
Yeah.
Leave him. Leave him, Charlie. Leave him. Yeah.
Fuck you!
Leave him. Leave him, Charlie.
Fuck everybody!
Leave him, Charlie.
Just fuck everybody!
Leave him, Charlie.
He's fine!
Leave him, Charlie.
He's fine, man of God!
Leave him.
We've been here for 1,000 fucking years!
Leave him.
We're gonna stay here!
I don't care.
You think cars worth this whole fucking town?
Leave him.
Do you think
Itu apa ya? Astagfirullah. Astagfirullahaladzim. Astagfirullahaladzim. Astagfirullah. Astagfirullah.
It's all by your side. You got to do life.
Tied by their thumbs to a pulley cord hanging from the ceiling. Their toes barely touching for up to 30 minutes. This went on until 1905 when the practice was deemed inhumane by the State Senate Commission panel.
I don't have a notification.
Ooh.
So my friends and I are about to go randonauting, and I see a lot of people saying that they find creepy shit on here, so I figured I'd record it to see what actually happens. What the fuck is that?
Seems pretty fresh.
Is that
What the?
is it blood?
No, that could be paint.
Hold up, is that a trail? Wait, look.
So there's like a blood trail So we're following it right now. So the blood leads over here. And it keeps going down that. So Matthew's gonna go down.
Look, there's more blood.
Okay, I'm running out of time. Like and comment for part 2.
Thick trail. Like, look at this shit. Holy shit. That's kind of sus. Fuck. Alright, I'm going, guys. What the fuck? Hello? What? Nah, fuck no. Nah. Yo.